Hello guys, welcome to Sparking Media once again. In this video tutorial, we are going to be talking about this online earning platform known as MomoTube. As you can see on your screen, we are going to be talking about the withdrawal proofs. How do you withdraw? Okay, that's the question I kept getting from people concerning this platform. Previously, I have made a review video on this platform, and I clearly stated on that video that this platform is not a reliable platform in that very video. But for the purpose of those who did not watch the first video I made, I am still repeating myself again in this video. Okay, I have seen a lot of questions on made withdrawal of 200k, 300k, 1 million, 10 million, and when you scroll down on this platform, you can see the leaderboard, that you can see this one made 10.6 million already, this one made 8 million, this one made 6 million. Now the question is this money real? Is this money real? Can they be able to withdraw this money? Yes, they can withdraw this money. But the point is not all about placing the withdrawal. The point here is all about getting credited. Do you understand? The point is getting credited. And in my previous video I made, I clearly stated that this platform is a scam platform and they are wasting your time, that you shouldn't mind this platform. For those of you who did not watch the first video I made concerning this platform, I am saying it's a scam, not that they're going to scam you your money, not that they're going to say you should invest money or you should put money, but they are just going to waste your data. As you all know, data is very expensive now, it's costly. So therefore, if you are using your data to watch anything on this video, take survey on this video, you can see it here. When you click on videos, you can see the videos they have made available for you to do what? For you to watch. So you see videos they said you should watch. So when you watch those videos, they claim that once you are watching those videos that you are making money, and each of those videos have their own paying rate. The more video you watch, the more money you make. And you also make money when you invite your friends. When they even click on your link, you get money, and when they finally sign up, you still get money. So that is what this platform claims to be. And in my previous video, please, I am repeating myself, in my previous video I say that this platform is a scam. A lot of people have viewed that video, but I wonder why people kept asking me this question: withdrawal proofs, please show us withdrawal proof. What is difficult there? This platform is not real, it is fake. Please, for those of you asking that question, withdrawal proof, we need withdrawal proof, this platform is a scam. Even if you have 5 million naira now on this platform and you place withdrawal, you will not get paid. The truth is that the platform, the withdrawal will be showing you success flow, but if you check your bank account, you will not see anything. Now that comes to this question. The question you should be asking yourself is, how does this platform make money for themselves? How are they going to get that kind of money to pay you? The platform just create this platform, they are just using you for traffic, nothing more. They are using you to generate traffic for themselves and nothing more, and generate YouTube watch hour. There is nothing more. Okay, so take note of all these things, that this platform is 100% fake. Then for those of you who are interested in making money online, this channel is for you. All you need to do for you not to miss out any of my updates is to hit on that subscribe button. I have shared a lot of legit updates on how to make money online with your smartphone. Even today as I'm speaking to you, I have shared video. So check latest video on this channel. I have shared video on how to make money online with your smartphone, 100% legit, for free, without you investing any money. Okay, this channel is for you. So for you not to miss out, make sure you subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and then I'll be leaving our WhatsApp group in the comment section of this video. So go to comment section of this video to join our WhatsApp group for faster updates. We do post updates on money making every blessed day on our WhatsApp group. So for you not to miss out, make sure you subscribe to this channel and then join our WhatsApp group. If you have any other question, please comment below. Now let me just say, in conclusion, this platform is 100% fake. It is not real. So stop wasting your data on this platform. For those of you who are asking me this question, how do I withdraw? We need payment proof. Please and please, this platform is 100% fake. It is not legit. Thank you for watching this video, and I remain Sparking Media, aka the legit boss.